Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, October 22nd, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having Pop-Tart. For lunch, we're having taco salad. For Monday, breakfast will be breakfast pizza. Lunch is sloppy Joe. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you post attendance by 9 a.m. each day. Masks. Everyone should be wearing their masks. Late duty today is Miss Peralta. The word of the day is multiply. Multiply is the operation of repeated addition of the same number. So, if I was going to multiply, if I have these three groups of 5, I can multiply 3 times 5, which is the same as 5 plus 5 plus 5. It's just a shorter version of repeated addition. Important dates. This week is Digital Citizenship Week. Next week, we have Book Fair and Red Ribbon Week. October 27th, we have PST during Extended PE, and we have 5th grade Super Scholars, we hope. October 28th, we have Read for the Record. October 29th is Feel Good Friday, and the fundraiser ends. November 3rd is the Sunnyside Theater play. November 10th is Reading and Math PLT. November 11th is No School for Veterans Day, and November 12th is World Kindness Day. Next week, we are having Red Ribbon Week, and you are invited to participate in this. On Monday is going to be red out, so wear your favorite red shirt with your uniform pants and red accessories. October 26th, Tuesday, is Sock It to Drugs, so you'll wear your uniform and some silly socks. Wednesday is Team Up Against Drugs, wear your favorite sports team shirt. Thursday is Too Bright for Drugs, wear some sunglasses. October 29th, Friday, I would rather read than do drugs. You're going to dress up as your favorite book character. We have kicked off our Be a Champion and Read campaign. This campaign is almost over. So if you haven't yet turned in your form with your 6 books, go ahead and get that signed by your parents and bring it on in. Also still have the coupon book fundraiser going on. So get those coupon books sold and win some great prizes. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.